The Mitakshara Hindu joint family is one of the most important concepts of Hindu law. Derived from the commentary Mitakshara written by Vijayaneshwara on the Yajnavalkya Smriti. The Mitakshara school governs inheritance and property rights among Hindus in most parts of India, excluding West Bengal and Assam where the Dayabhaga system applies. To understand, it is essential to distinguish between the joint family and the coparcenary concept of Mitakshara Hindu joint family. HJF. A Hindu joint family is a family arrangement under Hindu law consisting of all persons lineally descended from a common ancestor, and includes their wives, widows, unmarried daughters, adopted children, living together and bound by a common relationship. Property and worship. Rights to property are acquired by birth. Under this system, property is owned jointly by members of the family, and rights in the property arise by birth. Foundation. It is a creature of law, not contract. You are born into it. Continuity. It does not perish with the death of the common ancestor. It can continue indefinitely as long as there is a common thread of descent.